Hi there, welcome back with the last Sudoku, a Tectonic with 3 stars. In today's newspaper, in the additional of Thursday, October the 1st, 2020. It's a Tectonic with 3 stars. This will be number 1667. Alright, so let's get started. First, I want to search my strategy, the single box. I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. And then, second strategy, can you see a dual box? I see here dual box. The dual box is always 1 or a 1 and a 2. I see here 2, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 1. That means these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. That means these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And then these 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. That means the other 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, let me mark them for you. This is also 2 and the 4. These 2 boxes, 2 and the 4. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 and a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4 here. Let me mark them, 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, alright. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 3. Let me mark them. It's up here. Here also the 1 and the 3 are left. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5 in this area. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 2 boxes left for the 2 should be here or there. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so these 2 boxes could be a 2. Yes. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark them. 2 and a 4. That means I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it must be a 4, and this one should be a 2. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 4. And then this box, no. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 2 boxes left for the 5 should be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 2 boxes left for the 4 should be here or there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 goes here and there. That means that this box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So it should be a 2, and this should be a 4. 1, 2, 3. This box can also not be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That means this box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 4, so 2 boxes left for the 4, here and there. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark them for you. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So I have marked those 2 boxes with 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 5. And this should be a 3. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box is a 4, so this cannot be a 4 anymore, these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1, the 2 and the 5 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark them. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so the 2 and the 5 goes here. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then let me see. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. We have a 5 now, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. We have a 2 now, so these two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those two boxes. That means we have a 2 in one of these two boxes. So this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So eliminate the 2. The 2 must be here. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 digit left. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box is reserved for the 3. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2 should be there. And 1 box left for the 5. Yes, finished. No, we have the 3 and a 1 here. I see we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 1. Alright, so finish in 12 minutes. I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow with the edition of Friday. Bye bye then. Have a great day.